Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite pieces of furniture on Amazon. This is my choice for the best mid-century modern couch. You guys, this is the Aiden. It's from the Rivet store. It's an Amazon brand. You got to check all of their stuff out. Their prices are unbelievable, especially at this style and quality. You're gonna notice this has all of your classic mid-century mod vibes. It's gonna look amazing in your home, amazing in any century, any decade. This is going to look ultra cool. It's gonna be comfortable, it's gonna be high quality. It's going to be really easy to care for and also easy to assemble. You guys, a lot of times when you get furniture on the internet, it is rough to put together. It can take hours and be complicated and lots of tools. This is not like that at all. Don't worry if you are someone who hates putting things together. This is for you. This is gonna come together in under 15 minutes and be super easy, super simple. It's gonna look amazing. Definitely a great way to update your home in a way that just looks classic, but has a little bit of funk too. There's several colors that you can choose from, and you guys, because this is an Amazon brand, you can buy with the utmost confidence. You get a 30-day hassle-free money-back guarantee. So I know you're gonna love this, but in case you don't, they're gonna take care of you and make sure that you're happy. Plus, on top of that, this is insane, you guys, 3-year warranty. 3-year warranty. So you know that these products are built to last. It's at an amazing price and it looks so great. Go ahead, put this in your cart, upgrade that old couch. You're gonna be so happy that you did.